The Cliff Creek Baffle Box project is a project that both the City of Melbourne and the Save Our Indian River Lagoon have partnered on to construct. It is treating a largely untreated basin for the stormwater that goes directly into the Indian River Lagoon.
This baffle box is an inline box that allows stormwater to go enter it and then leave it. So as it enters it, the skimmer sections collect all the trash, leaves, debris, either organic or non-organic material. It's got 3 sets of baffles in it. It allows the water to slow down and the solids, the sands and the gravels and things to settle out of those. And then at the end of this baffle box, it has a nutrient scrubber.
The reason the location is important is that we have over 500 acres that drain to this point. That way we are getting the most treatment out of a baffle box.
This baffle box is 20 feet wide by 25 feet long by about 15 feet deep on the inside. So it makes it the biggest baffle box east of the Mississippi.
The baffle boxes are a key component to removing nitrogen and phosphorus into the Indian River Lagoon. There's many components that are contributing to the water quality issues in the Indian River Lagoon. Stormwater is just one of them, but we have found that the baffle boxes are a high level of treatment, probably one of the better tools in the toolbox for stormwater treatment. Personally, I am very proud to be part of the improvements that are going into water quality treatment. The Indian River Lagoon is a great resource for the community. People play in it, people fish in it, and without bringing the water quality level back up to where it was and to restore the Indian River Lagoon would just be a shame for generations to come.